For the first time in a decade, a person has died from the measles virus in the US. There are a dozen more in hospital, with several in intensive care in the outbreak spanning Texas and New Mexico.
And as you can see from today's news, this virus can have severe and deadly consequences.
The patient was an unvaccinated school-aged child. Over 120 cases of the highly contagious respiratory infection have been identified in Texas since late January. In the US, vaccine hesitancy is on the rise. The Centers for Disease Control said during the 2023 to 2024 school year, exemptions from one or more vaccines among kindergartners in the US increased to 3.3%. In Gaines County, Texas, the epicenter of the current outbreak, the vaccine exemption rate was nearly 18%, according to Health Department data.
If you're unvaccinated, if you're around someone who has the illness, you have a 90% chance of becoming ill from the virus. When we say the vaccine is 93% effective, that means, I suppose, if we took 100 vaccinated people and put them in a room with someone with measles, almost all of those vaccinated people, 93%, would not contract the illness at all.
Health officials remain concerned as more cases spring up in New Mexico as well. The new US Secretary of Health, Robert Kennedy Jr., who himself has expressed anti-vax views in the past, said such outbreaks are not unusual, but promised his department would continue to monitor the situation.